So it's early in the morning right now, almost 6:30, and we got baby trying. Popped its head out earlier. I think it might have heard me. Babies are getting more curious. Budgies have practically already ate. It's like a quick little nap time for all of them. Aloha kakayaka. To all my viewers out there that does not know what that means, aloha kakayaka in Hawaiian means good morning. So y'all just learned something new there. I actually had one comment by one of my subscribers asking if any of my birds talk, and the answer is no, they don't. It's usually difficult once they're adults, especially if you buy them at the pet shops. It's pretty difficult to get them to actually vocalize like a human being. But the babies, on the other hand, I am going to try. And that takes dedication too. You gotta really dedicate your time and effort, just like you would a child, teaching them to vocalize like a human being would. So I gotta dedicate every single day. I don't know how long, maybe 10-15 minutes a day, I'm not sure, but see if it works and see if I can start getting those babies once they start coming out of the nesting box, getting them to vocalize back to me and talking. So we'll see. All right, I'm gonna cut this video here. Y'all have a blessed day, and if you want to see any more content of any sorts, just let me know. Oh, there's baby popping its head out again. Right there, right there in the corner. Thinking mommy and daddy starting to withhold food. I'm not sure if that's what it is, but they're really trying to encourage the babies to come out. Like I said in my last video, the babies have been kind of doing this off and on the past few days. Just they'll prop up on the little stick inside the nesting box. I think it's been like 2-3 days that they've actually been sticking their heads out of the hole of the nesting box. So it's only a matter of time. They're gonna come out. So I'm sure mommy and daddy is getting to a point where it's like, y'all need to start fending for yourselves. Stop staying in that box. We all want that box to ourselves, like any normal parent would. You babies got to start fending for yourselves. And they grow up fast. I think they're about 4 weeks, close to a month old now. Oh well, have a blessed day. Take care, and as always, aloha. Chee-hoo.